Wow, blonde. If you want to see the whole thing, inches baby, yes ma'am, we love.
Hello, 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 can you hear me now?
Yeehaw everybody, it is me Aliyah, welcome back to my channel. Hello, I have another color hair. I changed my hair a lot, so woo. Today's gonna be a really fun video because we have the Zodiac collection. This collection is a collaboration between Kathleen Lights and ColourPop, or should I say ColourPop and Kathleen Lights. So Kathleen Lights has teamed up with ColourPop for like the bajillionth time, and together they have created the Zodiac collection. So basically what you get in the collection is the Zodiac palette, you get two supernova shadows, and you get two luxe lipsticks, and there's two I think there's two super shock highlights. Basically all I got was the Zodiac palette, and then I got the luxe lipstick in the shade Scorpio Moon, and then I got the I almost said supernova, like, oh wait, it is that. The supernova shadow in astrology. So first you get the Zodiac palette. Like I said, it comes in this beautiful black boxing, and it's like really pretty. It has all the zodiac signs around, and it has little like blue specks that I didn't know that it had, which I really appreciate because it's like just the cutest detail. On the back it has, on the back of the box and on the back of the palette, it has all the shade names, and when you open it, the actual packaging is actually blue. So you get a black box and a blue palette. And whoa, you have another mirror. And then you get all the shades that also have the names underneath them, so you don't always have to refer to the back of the palette. Hallelujah, because the Lord knows I'd be struggling with that. So see, we have 12 shades, which each represent the zodiac signs from Aries all the way to Pisces. And yeah, so that is the palette. $18. I'm pretty sure it was supposed to be $16 without the palette, but I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be $16 without the mirror, $16 or $15 without the mirror, but it's definitely worth it just for $3 to $2 more. Okay, so next we have the supernova shadow. I have never tried this formula before, so you open it, push your hair back to your face, and what you get is this beautiful, gorgeous color. Like, I don't even know how to describe it. It's like a yellowy gold. There it is right there. I believe these are $7 or $8, maybe $6, I don't know. This is the luxe lipstick, which I also have never tried before. So you open it, and it also comes in that blue packaging, and you open it up, and you get this bullet lipstick. It has pretty stars around it, and it says ColourPop, and it's like a rose goldy color, I would say. And this is in the shade Scorpio Moon, like I said, and it's a mauve purple, and you know, they have like the cute little stars in it and everything that Kylie Jenner was yet to copy afterwards, so that was like kind of annoying. Those are all the products, and I would be using all of them on my face in this tutorial. So if you guys are excited for this tutorial, please give the video a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button so you're notified anytime that I post, and let's get started. So first of all, guys, this look is super duper easy. By the way, I'm eating a Jolly Rancher. So I really want a Jolly Rancher. This look is super easy. It consists of 4 shades, very achievable. So if you're scared about doing a look with this palette, just do something easy. Like, this palette has so many different ways you can put these colors together. It's pretty crazy. First, I'm going to start by priming my eye with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. So I'm trying something different today. I've seen where you can prime your eyes and then you just go straight in to putting on the shadow without setting it. So that's what I'm going to do today. It worked with this eye, so let's try it with this one. I'm going to first go in with the shade Taurus, which is this beautiful like camel brown, and we're going to put that in the crease. My eyebrow hairs are literally as long as like the Eiffel Tower. So that's that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go in with the shade, the Virgo. So I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm a Libra, but we won't be using the Libra, honestly. What? We won't be using the Libra, unfortunately, because it just doesn't fit with this look, unfortunately. So frick. It's literally just this plain like satiny pink, but honestly this is like kind of my aesthetic. When you see it like in a shadow with all these cool like bright oranges and like cool electric oranges and blues and a sparkly black, and you're just like a satin baby pink, you're like, shoot. Sorry. So, like I just said, we're going to go in with the Virgo, the shade before me. Another fun fact, I'm technically a Libra Scorpio cusp. I'm just gonna blend that. This is also in the crease and drag it out lots and lots and lots. You're also gonna want to bring it on the outer corner of your eye as well, and make sure you're dragging it out. By the way, guys, I got this shirt for $5 at Charlotte Russe, and it has like one of those little tie things. I was like, ooh, that's fancy. So I'm satisfied. Am I? So now I'm satisfied with the look of the Virgo and the Taurus. So now we're going to do the fun part, which is the Supernova shadow. I've never tried this before. This is my first time ever using it. So far, it's pretty good. You guys will see when I put it on in a second. This is the one. She came out with two. I only got one. This is in the shade Astrology. Here. It's like a yellowy green, goldy-ish color. It's super gorgeous. Like, it's really out there, but when you do it with like a color like this, it looks kind of normalized. Like, I would actually wear this out, like if I was going to a dinner somewhere, like, which I don't, because like I don't have activities to do. What I'm going to do is cut the crease with this. This is what I did. I started off like this, but I kind of don't want to do it, but I am, so lol. I kind of just did that at first with this, with the actual applicator that it comes with, and then I got this brush and I put it on here. I just have to do them the same way just because that's who I am. Okay, and now I'm just going to get the applicator now that I have outlined the crease, and I'm going to just fill it in now. Now I'm just going to keep my eyes closed for a couple seconds. Let it dry. I love this Supernova shadow. I think overall it is pretty blendable, but I did have trouble on this side blending it up. It kind of got a little bit patchy, but it's nothing that's really a big deal to me, so I kind of got over it and moved on. I'm going to take a leap of faith and say that this is one of the most even cut creases I've done on both eyes, like where it looks pretty similar, like they could be related. So now I'm going to go in with this tiny little blending brush. I'm going to get the shade, the Taurus, and I'm going to start to blend like this. I'm putting a little bit more of the Supernova shadow on just because I want to make sure that everything blends easily. It got patchy right there. I'm going to try and do it with like a thin coat. Satisfied. Okay, so like I was doing, we're going to get the Taurus and we're going to like pat it on top so we get like that kind of transition into the Virgo. I really love this look a lot. Now I'm going to do my eyeliner and apply my lash. I just thought of something. You can never be like the most of anything else. Like, oh, I'm not the greatest this, I'm not the greatest that, but you can be the greatest you. Now that the lash is applied, I'm going to take the Virgo and I'm going to put that under the lower lash line. Now I'm going to take the Taurus and go underneath that to blend it into my skin. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my mascara and obviously put mascara on my eyelashes. Woo! Okay. So lastly, with the eye look, we're going to go in with the shade, the Gemini. Fun fact, my mom's Gemini. And I'm going to put it in my inner corner. I really don't know if this color works with it, but I'm just going for it, you know. And I'm also going to put it in my brow bone. So let me put on my highlights, and then we can do the lipstick. Obviously, Au Revoir by my baby's ColourPop, because this is a ColourPop video. Hello. And I use it anyways. I'll do the thing. Wow, that was disgusting. And last but not least, for the lippy, we are going to be getting the Luxe Lippy. Is that what these are called? What are these called? Yeah, I was right. They're called Luxe lipsticks, and this is in the shade Scorpio Moon, because I'm pretty sure that's what Kathleen is, or something like that. It's just really pretty mauvey purpley, and hopefully it goes with this look. I've never tried this formula before because I just never got a chance to actually buy it, so I'm excited to see. Like, I probably won't wear this a lot because bullet lipsticks just aren't my thing. I prefer a like straight up matte liquid lipstick. Ooh, bitch. So I think that I like it. It applied really nice. That was amazing pigment. That was a blast actually to like put on, because it was like, wow, this is very smooth, very nice. To make myself like it more, I'm gonna put a liner on top of it so it fades into the purple. This isn't really important, but liners go really nice on top of this, I just realized. So that's cool. Go back over it. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. So as you could tell, we did the cut crease with the Supernova shadow, and I used the Zodiac palette and the Luxe lip. And so basically, let's just get a little rundown on how everything went. Let's start with the actual palette, the Zodiac. So overall, I think this packaging is absolutely beautiful. I love the blue, and I love how the actual box is black and it has like the really pretty blue specks on it. It's so beautiful. I love the shades on the back, but those were confusing, so thank goodness for once they have the shades under the shadows. I believe Kathleen said that the mirror makes the palette $2 to $3 more, so honestly that's way worth it to me to get a palette for $3 more than usual if it means that I get a mirror. The Supernova shadow, like I said, this is the first time I ever tried this type of packaging. I don't know if they all come with this type of embellishment on it with like the golden like little sparkle thingies, but I think it's really pretty and super pigmented, beautiful color. I've never seen this color I've never seen a color like this before, exactly, or at least not in a liquid shadow form, and it's so beautiful, like, oh my god. And it went on pretty well. The only problem with it was that I did get a little bit patchy at one point, but I was able to put the shadow back on top of it and fix it. The shades in the palette are really pigmented, really smooth, really buttery, easily blendable, easy to work with. So as usual with most other ColourPop palettes, I would definitely recommend this. Like, this is a really good palette, and I feel like people think it's not very functional because you see like a lot of random colors like purple, then light blue, then orange. But honestly, these colors could be used in so many different ways. Like, I have a bunch of different looks in my head, like 2 to 3 looks that I could do with this palette. And then the Luxe lipstick. So like I said, this color was interesting. I thought it was going to be a little bit darker and more mauvey. I mean, it is mauvey, but it was just like really bright. So I was like, oh my god. Like, I really do enjoy it with a lip liner. And I think that it works really well. Ow! I don't know what I was saying. I was talking about this lipstick. The packaging is really cute. I love the little stars that are like punched into it. I think that's really neat, because I haven't seen that before, and then you know who copied that right after, so you know, it's pretty interesting. Yeah, I definitely recommend this collection. I didn't get the Super Shock highlighters just because I know how those look, and they're just like neutral colors, and I'd rather use my Luster Dust because they hooked me on that, so sorry not sorry. I really did enjoy this look overall. Like, I think it's a really pretty look. Pigmented, super cool, super multifunctional. Sorry it was really simple, but I think it's a really cool look just in general because it's so simple, and then you get that random pop of color also. Hey girl. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you'll be notified anytime that I post, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!
I don't need your love, 'cause I already cried enough.